BIM 360 docs combined with Revit and Navisworks in the AEC collection can be helpful for multidiscipline design coordination on a project. In this example, the Revit models of the MEP and structural teams are downloaded from BIM 360 docs and exported directly to Navisworks, where a series of clash detection tests are done, and the results are visually highlighted and color-coded. As each clash is examined in more detail, the structural team informs the local project manager that the light fixture placements in the electrical model need to be adjusted by the MEP team to resolve the clashes. Using BIM 360 docs, the local project manager creates an issue and assigns it to the appropriate member of the MEP team, along with a recommended due date. When the issue has been answered by the MEP team, the project manager receives an official response in BIM 360 docs. Using the Compare tool in BIM 360 docs, the project manager can see the color-coded modifications in the latest version of the MEP model, complete with a brief animation of the design change when the modified objects are selected. With this information, the project manager asks the structural team to run another clash detection test in Navisworks, where the test shows that all the previous clashes have now been resolved. Satisfied that the structural and MEP designs are properly coordinated, the project manager closes the issue in BIM 360 docs, and the resulting record of communication between both design teams on this issue is stored.